Hello everyone, welcome to today's unboxing video. Today we're opening up one of my favorites, Vellabox, my monthly candle subscription. I actually have two today. I'm not sure if they're going to be exactly the same. I haven't peeked, but I have my box I get in PR and then also my paid box. So yeah, I love it so much. I get both. I recently talked about this as one of the best gifts, Vellabox, a monthly candle subscription. Like, when in doubt, get a candle, right? Like, who doesn't love candles? And these candles are so good. I rave about them every single month. But not only is it a good gift, it's the best last minute gift. Well, subscription boxes are in general, because you can like print thing out and put it in a card, letting them know you got them a 3 or 6 or 12-month subscription. You know, like so they're like excited. They have mail coming even after they open the initial gift. It's so exciting. So I think this is so great. I mean, I can't believe that we're like less than 10 days. Well, it depends on when you're watching this, but we're super close to the holidays. The holiday season is upon us, so if you are like scrounging around looking for last minute gifts or just want to treat yourself to something, highly recommend Vellabox. Boxes start at $10. There's a $10 tier, $20 tier, and also $30. We're opening up the $30 one today. I have a link and code with Vellabox. I'll leave down below. You get $5 off. It works on all of their plans. They also have a shop you can check out. You can see me today, maybe. Here's a little tail. So yeah, highly recommend. And I haven't checked out the December ones. We're opening that today, but my mom opened hers yesterday and she said it's so good. I don't know about you, but I freaking love December or like winter like smells. Fall too, but like I love something about the winter scents are so nostalgic and so good. So I'm super excited. So as I'm getting this open, I'll tell you more about it. So again, there's multiple subscription plans. The candles are so good. They come from small businesses, local artisans throughout the United States. Look at that little cute face. I love her. And they're all made in small batches. Oh my God, look how cute. And it smells good. Sorry, I had to pause. And they're made without any toxins, which I was surprised when I found out a while ago that a lot of commercial candles are made with a lot of toxins. So when you light them up, you're putting toxins in your home. You don't have to worry about that with Vellabox. The burn time is so good. The smells are so good. I've loved every month. And you get an extra goodie each month as well. And the candles come in these beautiful canvas bags. And look at it. It's Christmas themed. It's so cute. Oh my God. Something smells so good. It's obviously the candle, but it looks like our extra item might also be scented. So yeah, you get a canvas bag which you can repurpose. You can use as a stuffing, like a stocking stuffer, put some stuff in there, do whatever you want with it. And then we have the Magic of December. They're super eco-friendly, sustainable, like conscious company as well, Vellabox. So we get this little card here that tells us where candles come from. So in December, the featured maker is Radiant Candle Co. Ever since I started using an affirmation, I am radiant, I keep seeing the word radiant, and I love that. I feel like it's like confirmation. Oh, they're from Ottumwa, Iowa. I went to school in Iowa for 8 years. So Radiant Candle Co. is the creation of two friends united by a simple joy of lighting a candle. Embracing the power of a candle's warm glow and captivating aroma, Jenny and Rachel are dedicated to crafting candles that elevate moments and etch lasting memories, all while ensuring affordability. Their minimalist designs complement any home, and their quality scents are enjoyed by all who encounter them. Simplicity meets splendor with Radiant Candle Co. So their website is radiantcandleco.com. Use code Vellabox to save 15%. Love that. I think I did get the same one as my mom. So both of these might be the same, but we're gonna see. Deck the halls. Oh my God, I'm so excited. So in the $30 box, it's called the Vivere box, and you get the biggest size candle. So that's the difference with each of the subscription plans is the size of the candle. So this one, I believe this is like a 16-ounce candle. And oh my God, hand-poured soy candle, lemon peel, fir, and evergreen are the scent notes. And when you subscribe, I forgot to say this, when you subscribe to Vellabox, they have a scent profile, so you can let them know what scents you like what scent families. This is in the woodsy and citrus scent family. Oh my God, it smells so good. So Christmassy, I love it so much. Oh my God, you guys. So freaking good. Oh my gosh, okay, good. So what I like to do is I hold the candle up to the camera. You can take a whiff in. I'll read the description since we don't have smell-o-vision. You can imagine you're smelling this. So ready? Deck the halls. Presenting a zesty twist on a classic holiday fragrance, intertwining the crispness of lemon peel with the comforting warmth of fir and evergreen. Let its invigorating aroma transport you to a festive winter forest, filling your home with the timeless spirit of the season. It's so good. I can't stop. Oh my god, I love it so much. It makes me so happy. And then our little extra item is a hand cream. I can't get enough hand creams. I use them all the time. So yes, and it's called Oversized Flannel. I feel like I'm gonna like this. It's by Vellabox, 2 fluid ounces, 60 milliliters. Scent notes of mahogany, woods, sweet amber, bergamot, musk, and palo santo. Oh my gosh. It smells so good. Ooh, I could have just opened it like the normal way on top. It has like one of those like press button things. My hands do feel dry, actually. I just started using a new retinol. Well, I haven't been using retinol at all on my face, and my skin's dry in my face, like for the first time. This just reminded me. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera. I'm putting the extra on my legs. It smells. This reminds me of, oh my god, I have total. Do you ever smell something and it brings you back? I'm sure you guys have, but I know this scent. Have I gotten? Oh my god. I don't know. It reminds me of something so specific. I can't pin it, but oh my god, I love that. Talk about nostalgia. It's like a scent of maybe something from Bath and Body Works. I don't know about that, but you know what I mean? It's like something from the past. It smells really good. Oh my god, I love it. So this has a $10 value. And this is their well-loved scent, Oversized Flannel. Maybe I've gotten this candle by them before because I think they have it in their candles and their creams. Like they have matching scents. So yeah, it's in their seasonal candle collection. Gentle undertones of mahogany, sweet amber, and musk. Paired with the freshness of bergamot and a hint of palo santo. Nice. To create a blend for soft, fragrant hands that feel as comfortable as cozy flannel. I love that. Oh man, I love this month so much. So let's just take a peek in my other box to see if it's the same. I'm totally fine if it's the same. Sometimes I get them different. Well, I think it might be the same this month because my mom got Deck the Hall. I'm pretty positive. Yeah, they're the same, which is totally cool with me. But yeah, they have different scent families. So again, that was a woodsy and citrus one. So they also have like floral. They have 4 different types. So yeah, definitely check it out. So if you're not into woodsy, don't worry, they have others as well. I love that there's a variety. So if you guys did get Vellabox this month and you got a different scent, will you please leave a comment down below and a little like description of what you thought of it, just for the rest of us to know. I'm super happy with this. Oh, another thing I forgot to mention, every month Vellabox makes a Spotify playlist so you can play it while you burn your candles. And this month is called Festive Faves. Dive into the magic of the season with this curated collection of beloved holiday hits, iconic tunes from your favorite winter films, and more. Created just for the December Vellabox. Listen and burn for the ultimate vibe. I love that. Oh yeah, do you see how tiny these boxes are? Emmy's like trying to step into the other one over there. Okay, I gotta sniff it again. I'm gonna go like this right now and get cozy. It's like 74 here, and I'm like, it's sweater weather in Florida. Oh my god. It's totally a vibe. I love it so much. And I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. Again, check out Vellabox. So good any time of the year, but definitely a good gift. So yeah, definitely use that code to save $5. But yeah, again, thank you guys so much for being here. I am so grateful for each and every one of you. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment, do something special for yourself today. You deserve it. I love you. Bye.